Hey guys, I'm Trace from Winning Home Improvements.
And I'm Matt from Winning Home Improvements.
And we love renovating homes, so come on into the Eagan home at Victoria Point. Now these guys had got in contact with us because they had begun renovations on their own, but it had got too large for them because they significantly found some termite damage.
Yeah, there was termite damage in one of the main structural beams, but at the end of the day it worked out well because we removed that and we got to open up a wall to the kitchen to the lounge room.
So I redesigned the space and absolutely changed things for this family. There was an open laundry, people were walking through to get into the home, which we closed behind sliders, and then I redesigned the kitchen so that the island now has the dining table built in around it, so it's become multi-purpose for the space. So it's packing a punch and getting everything out of it. A new little study area for the owner who works from home as well. All new flooring.
A new sliding door which we put in near the kitchen, which lets in a lot of natural light.
Yep, all new painting and all new electricals. So yeah, this place is ready for home now.
Flooring looks amazing as well.